my way to Sita. It's a hack planned for today, and also a promise of some nice rain. But I can handle rain, I'm dressed for it. But the insane wind that was the other day, that is not something an equestrian really likes. So rain over wind any day. So a friend of mine is gonna come along. She's gonna rent the Irish cob, Sessa. And my instructor is coming along, and maybe another person, I don't know. Maybe we'll be 4 people on today's hack, or 3. Pussy, little pussy. Good. Oh, hey, good. Oh. Some spring flowers. Beautiful. Jag kom! Hej Cesar! Tar du med dig sitta? Vad säger du? Vad säger du? Kom, 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 kom! Hej! Kommer ni? Ja! Hej tjejerna! Hej Sita! Hej tusen min! Hej! Nu kommer du! Gumman! Hey! Thank you so much that I didn't have to wade through this awful mud. Thank you! Horse number 2 down. Horse number 1 is already caught. So this is Sessa. My friend will rent her today. Come in, Sessa. Oh gosh, the grass. They all just want the grass. Of course they do. Since they so nicely came, I didn't have to walk through the mud, I thought I would take Sessa in as well, so my friend doesn't have to walk through the mud, because who knows how long they will stay by the gate. du Sessa. Men just nu är det ju inte störtregn i alla fall. Ja. Ja, det var så fint. Riding in the rain. It's not a glorious feeling. I want sunshine again. Bil med släp. Jo, här tar vi det lugnt. Här tar vi det. Ja, det säger jag med. Här ser vi var vi sätter hovarna. Nej, inte ut på kanten. Nej, jag vill inte ha det ut på kanten. Ge dig. Så ja. Så ja.